Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check oxygen levels in a cylinder. First, locate the pressure gauge, typically found near the cylinder valve. This gauge displays the internal pressure, which directly correlates to the amount of oxygen remaining. Make sure the cylinder valve is completely open to ensure an accurate reading. You'll see readings in units like PSI or bar, indicating the pressure inside. This initial step is crucial for understanding your oxygen supply. Once you've located the gauge, it's important to understand what you're seeing. Pressure gauges typically display readings in pounds per square inch, or SI, or sometimes in bar. A standard full oxygen cylinder might read around 2,000 psi. As oxygen is used, this pressure will gradually decrease. Knowing the maximum fill pressure for your cylinder helps you interpret the current reading and estimate how much oxygen is left. To calculate your remaining oxygen, you'll need a simple formula or a flow rate chart. First, determine your cylinder's capacity and its current pressure reading. For instance, if your cylinder holds 680 liters when full and is currently at half pressure, you have 340 liters. Then, divide this by your prescribed flow rate, say 2 liters per minute, to estimate your remaining time in minutes. This helps you plan effectively. Safety is paramount when dealing with oxygen cylinders. Always handle them with care, avoiding drops or impacts that could damage the valve or gauge. Store cylinders upright in a secure, well-ventilated space, away from any heat sources or open flames. Regularly monitor your gauge to ensure you don't run out unexpectedly. If you notice any damage or a faulty gauge, never attempt repairs yourself. Always contact a qualified technician for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.